Got kicked out of the petrol station. We made out here, by the way. So while we're stranded on a stranded little spot, we're gonna play the I'm passing the phone game, but excluding Junlong because Junlong is stressing out. Alright, so I am passing the phone to one of the most flexible people I know, and she's low-key, she is built like an ant because she's nimble, but she's strong as fuck. Like, but I played like arm wrestle with her. My arm hurt for like 2 days. So yeah.
Oh, my turn. I'm passing the phone to the one who cannot who cannot engage in deep conversations. He said he cannot have deep talk because he only remembers bad memories. It's so sad. I wonder what memories, how bad it is. Are you okay, Harry? Okay. Then
No, I'm scared. I'm passing the phone to someone who is a nasty, skanky fucking lying liar who has no artistic or any creative ability that lied about making her jeans. Fucking nasty bitch.
I heard that last part. I heard that last part. Junlong in crisis. We love you, Junlong. They're having a photo shoot. Well, we're stranded again because we were on the way to the workshop. Now we're stranded again. Huh?
I wanted to think something and draw circles on it. Wait, the tow truck.
Bye bye Junlong's car. We'll see you in Penang. We're gonna go to Penang by Grab.
yes.
We're gonna Penang by Grab.
Yes.
That's the craziest thing ever. Hashtag YOLO. We're currently
Stranded.
at Petron and we're waiting for Martin.
They put it inside.
Oh.
Today I'm mixing Miss Sedap, which I do not like.
Why are you doing this?
Because I like Indomie, but there's no Indomie, so I'm gonna get Miss Sedap.
And I got tom yum
Everybody come in,
and some sausages. So yeah,
Come in and eat your food, but don't look at
I'm
don't look at the
sticky.
camera.
I'm sticky. I'm sticky. I'm stinky. I'm hungry. I'm tired. I'm disgusting. We will update when we get help. This is 2 hours. We've been here for 2 hours. Almost 2 hours actually. Yeah.
Take me home.
We've been here for 2 hours. Now we're waiting for our savior Martin to come get us.
JJ, skip ah.
Going.
Skip everything.
I'm
Right?
going. Hey guys.
We got kicked out.
We got kicked out of the petrol station.
I'll never pump petrol ever.
So we're left with like what? Hopefully 20 more minutes. Martin's coming get us, but we're getting there. We're getting home. Martin is our savior forever.
How do we repay? In what ways can I repay? Tell me.
Martin, you have
Tell me,
4
Martin.
people who are willing to do anything to you.
Aku stres sekarang. For you, not to you.
Martin, thank you so much.
Sure. Thank you, Martin. Thank you.
You know
We got rejected by Grab. InDrive,
In-
Gojo,
Asia.
They pick it up and they reject.
Lala move.
No,
Oh, they didn't
they
even
didn't
pick
even
it
pick it up. So they were like, you know what? And it's 10% off. We need to go right
I
now.
can't believe we're here. I can't believe
Right.
I can't believe it.
I cannot
Like this
believe it.
doesn't feel real. I feel like I'm still in that petrol station and just losing
dreaming?
my shit.
Let me.
Am I dreaming? I can't tell. Sometimes I'm also pain in dreams.
I help you.
Oh, no, thanks.
Then you plan it to us. We are finally on the bridge. We are still alive, guys. Let me record this.
Hey guys. So now we're walking back to my hotel from the Airbnb because I'm gonna sleep there.
It's like 5 minutes.
And we're all walking. And it's such a nice walk. So brisk, so nice.
No, that's what we use and all.
Ways?
What we use.
Yeah, walkways. It's really a walkable city.
True.
So that's a plus point for Penang. I'm not gonna lie.
It's crazy hot.
Yes.
Tengah hari.
Yes. Macam nak melt, macam nak mati
So
hot.
I'm gonna talk my brain. My brain.
Yeah,
my
betul.
brain.
Hey!
Morning sunshine.
I feel like it's obvious that I just woke up, but now we're walking back to the hotel because we're gonna get ready there. Because, you know, hotel. We're going back to the Airbnb. Yeah. But fresh in pajamas. See you after we're all done slaying.
Position. Hi guys, welcome to Cakes.
This is us. We're all. Wait, you're just looking. We're all. This is. We're walking around the streets of Penang. We just ate at the nasi kana place, and this is us after we're all dressed up and ready.
Yay!
So slay. Okay, wait, let me just get a rundown of everybody's outfit, okay? Adeline. Outfit.
I am a cottage girl.
Outfit check. Sabar. Outfit check. Outfit check. No. And Julia.
What are you saying?
And Julia's outfit.
Happy starter pack.
So we'll see you when we get to
Campbell Street.
Campbell Street. We are currently at Hamidia Nasi Kandar restaurant. Sorry. And they look so.
Ayam ni apa yang paha ni?
Sana saya information kan?
Kuah asyik.
Masih.
So pretty.
Thank you. You're pretty too.
Thank you.
Marty is creaming his pants.
Huh?
He's creaming his pants. Look at all this. Dirty.
You like to touch all the pins and then you cream yourself.
What the hell? No. Mess up. I feel like
We're in the red room of the museum, and this is a secret vlog because we're not allowed to record. But
Again.
anyways, secret vlog. Shh.
Cut the cameras.
We made out here, by the way. Guess where we're at? The beach. Wait, hold on. Let me just hold it. We're at the beach. Adlin, come.
Hi.
And apparently sunset is at 7.
Now it's
We're 4.
4:11.
We're so early.
We're too early.
But it's beautiful and it feels nice breeze.
Yeah. Oh, but you can feel the heat here.
Would you wanna flaming Lamborghini so you get wasted or get busted? I just point at each other's mouth. I'm confused. Go out, I know, because I stopped.
Just run to stop and then we'll cut it or something. It doesn't matter.
Wait, towards there, towards there. 1.
Do not just give up. We're still at the beach and the sun is down and it's beautiful. There's something so melancholic about the beach. Like it's so sad. Wait. Oh, I hate it. But anyway, look at everybody. 10 minutes later. And somehow the sky is 10 times more beautiful. And yet,
We are in our emotional moment. Yeah.
sorry, say it aloud.
We are in our emotional moment.
Oh, no.
We are like expressing our feeling right now.
I will leave you to it. But you guys look slay while you do it.
Okay, thank you.
It's our jumbo cup. Jumbo cup.
Yeah. Watermelon jumbo cup.
Guys, no one has a shoot us. I'm surprised.
Haree. Ew! You're like tensing up.
I'm not.
Yes, you are. You're tensing up.
Yeah,
on
if I
purpose.
loosen up, of course I'm gonna.
Hold on.
I'm gonna.
Yeah.
Disgusting.
Ew.
Delete that.
No one.
Hi, man or bear?
Now, we're all in our jammies. And we're gonna get a little quick snack.
You're not gonna. You're not gonna escape without showing your fit. Oh, you need to go.
Chinatown.
Chinatown. We're gonna go get a quick snack. And we're gonna get some ramen. Probably some Maggie cups. Mommy cups. We'll see. But yeah, we're cruising around town in our jammies because hashtag no shame. Hashtag who cares. Betul tak? Betul. See you at the convenience store.
Oh, cat food, obviously.
Okay. Hey guys,
Bye.
we're back from Happy Mart. And are we happy? Yes, indeed.
Yes.
What's the indeed?
Yes, indeed.
Harmonize.
Yes.
1, 2, 3.
Yes, indeed. Hey guys, so we are about to go water sporting. We're gonna do water sports, and I can't really vlog because we're gonna be wet. So check. Oh. I literally just bought this because for the vlog. Fit check. My
Not me.
fit check.
You check. Martin finally in shorts. I should never wear shorts again.
And yet, fit check. Just lang. Fit check.
Oh my god!
Oh yeah.
It's my netball outfit.
Yeah. Julia, Trisha. Fit check.
Good check, guys.
And now, guess where Haree is?
Harry is making something at toilet.
Haree is baking cookies
Yeah, making cookies.
in the toilet, and we've waited for him for over 10 minutes now. Yeah. So we'll see you when we're water sporting.
Orang kan, so 2 motor lah. Okay, so semua tu ingat
Okay, say bye. Say bye.
Before parasailing. This is me before parasailing.
How pretty you think you're gonna look like after parasailing?
Yeah, go. 10.
How pretty do you think you're gonna look?
12.
We're getting bathed. We're basically getting a spa treatment by the beach. All natural. Yep, with scrubs. While they go parasail. Wait, let me 0.5 it. Okay. Okay, don't look up. This is us before the banana boat. This is her after parasailing.
My panties.
This is us before the banana boat.
They're gonna drop. I asked them to drop us. They asked if they say flip over, flip over.
Don't
No, I
laugh.
want flip. They also want flip.
Don't laugh. Are they gonna tell us when they're gonna do it?
No.
I'm gonna kill myself.
Bang, terbalikkan!
The banana boat was the scariest thing in my life. It was so scary. It was fun until everyone kept saying flip.
And then he didn't.
Yeah.
Hi.
How was the banana boat? And-
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
And 6 out of 6 hair clips stayed. Oh, where did you get it?
From Taobao.
Taobao plug. Bye, Nuet. Wave. Hold on. No,
Okay.
but it's okay.
I wouldn't too.
I'll see you there.
Wait, let me just hold on to you. Oh my god! Oh my god! Y'all, this man is crazy. Take me away.
Come here, take picture.
Okay.
Break. 1, 2, 1, 2.
I'm like, I'm about to turn my tudung for the TikTok.
Don't drop it. I swear, don't drop it. Come. 1, I'm gonna jump. I'm gonna jump now. Jumping in? Yeah. What the? Okay.
Are you okay?
That was salty. I hope there's no crocodiles here.
Stop, go in.
Wow.
Woo!
Hold on. I'm gonna drive.
Really? I don't know.
I'll teach you.
Huh?
You just press this button only.
Okay.
No press.
Hola.
Wait, don't press. Because we're gonna bang to them. We're gonna bang. Recording live from the jet ski. Her.
This is us after the jet
Fresh.
ski.
Easy peasy lemon
Martin, say bye. I didn't look behind, huh? Best 80 ringgit ever spent. I would never trade it for anything in my life. Hurry, come on.
This is us after the sea sports, banana boat, donut and jet ski. I jumped on the jet ski, it was fucking red.
Okay, cover. Cover, bodoh.
Cover tu apa?
Ew.
Wait. Why would she use that? Oh no, I don't like.
Right now, we're at the Penang Road, famous chendol. Apparently most famous chendol ever. And we're obviously getting chendol. There's like cars moving. One tapi don't want this one. Want this one. Nak santan tapi tak nak warna hijau. Susu mau. Tak nak cendol.
Embarrassing, yeah?
Anyways, he's saying that's embarrassing, so I have to do it.
Do you see flirting?
No? What?
He was like 47 atau 47 pun boleh.
Oh, nice!
He was looking at you.
Hi Sarah, you're half a boy.
Guys. Okay.
Can we go somewhere with some shade?
We're gonna go get some shade. Good, so good in this heat. So refreshing. I'll give it an 8 because I don't really like chendol anyway, but so
With red beans?
refreshing.
How much
10
is
out
it?
of 10 in this heat,
Oh.
but 8 out of 10 in general because chendol is not
What if
bad.
chendol with red bean? How much?
I don't like red beans. That's
So,
a 0. There's an asshole behind me. He keeps bullying me. I don't know what I did. I'm hiking the victim.
You saying?
Alright.
Thank you.
God damn. What is it?
Out of 10.
10!
Guys, out of 10.
What do you mean by 5?
5?
I couldn't see you.
Julia?
Maybe 7 because it's hot right now.
Yeah. 5 is so low. Out of 10?
I wish I got what Harry got. You know,
Which is
there's
no beans.
so many beans.
Oh.
6, 7.
Out of 10?
8. And it's quite nice.
Yeah, so pretty.
Balik polis.
What's yours?
So it's impossible to to not put parking. I got it.
Out of 10?
8 out of 10.
Out of 10?
Girl, I haven't even tasted yet. What the fuck are you on?
What you meant?
I'm sorry. So, you really said without chendol lah?
Yeah, I just said without chendol. Yay! Out of 10?
A little weird without the green thing. What? It was just disgusting. It used to be disgusting, but I learned to love it.
You know, with time, with enough time that he's had.
Shut up.
Yes!
Hey! I don't give her rating it. Without chendol is 7 out of 10. Not this close. Get it out. Get out of my face.
With your chendol.
With whose chendol?
High school, my used to say like, chendol like, cut the cameras.
Okay.
Cut the camera.
What is fun? Yeah, it was so bad when before it grew. I'm so sorry.
We're supposed to get lunch right now, but we're gonna check out this butterscotch brew.
I've never had butter beer. It's Harry Potter themed. It's Harry Potter themed.
We're about to go into something magical.
Huh?
That's not Harry Potter. So we're currently inside the Storytellers Cafe, and we got butter beer. We got butter beer. We're literally in Hogwarts right now.
We're literally Hogwarts students. Cheers. We gotta do the stash.
Yeah.
Go! 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 Go!
Chugged it. He's nowhere near me.
Okay, look. Ah!
The car is okay again.
Shall we properly ride in this car?
How is he doing?
The logo's not lean. So all is well.
Okay, pat him and say good job.
Good job. You still have to serve me for 700 kilometers.
Sadly, we're at the airport. Why? Oh, because somebody had to go to Bangkok and not take me with them. Audacity. But why do we look kind of good crossing the street?
I don't think this car can cross though.
But anyways, we're sending him off. This is such a sad day. Such a sad moment. Can't believe I'm gonna be sleeping alone tonight. This is the first night that I'm gonna sleep alone this whole trip. I'm so sad.
Accidental. It was an accident.
Martin is Haree's butler apparently. Sad.
One more time.
And yeah, first.
Okay.
Bye bye. See
Salatiga in 1 week. Okay, yeah.
Oh wow.
So we just dropped Harry off. We just dropped Harry off.
We don't have competitor anymore.
I don't have competitor anymore, but it's
Yeah.
sad. It's sad because my bestie baby's gone.
Yeah, your baby's gone.
Yeah.
Your competitor.
Scary.
Oh.
Farah wants to step up to the plate.
Yeah.
But you know, sad to see another one go. First it was Astra and Yamuna
Oh.
and Andra. I didn't get to see her.
Yeah.
And then Jetron.
Yeah.
Yeah. And now Haree. We've lost another one. Everyone's dropping like flies. It's sad.
Tomorrow might be. Oh no, Juliet.
Yeah, Julia Drisha. Sad. But what are you gonna do? So this is us already packed up, ready to go. Such a sad day. Sad. It's such a sad day, and I don't know, we're in mourning. Martin, say bye. Oh. No, say bye, but hug the camera. Bye bye guys. Have a safe flight. Bye bye. Safe flight. And then there were 6. And then there were 6.
Marisa's phone's died.
Mid editing. Yay,
Oh
nothing to
no,
say.
oh no.
Stop looking at the camera.
Hey, take off your hand when you laugh.
The driver.
Yeah, but at least I'm looking at the road.
Now you're
Looking at the road.
Right. Anyway, can you please change your music? Second time is this.
What you're looking for has been here the whole time. If you can see that I know you belong with me. You belong. And this is crazy, but here's my number.
Oh, we're good. It's just for dramatic effect. Hey guys, so we're already back in KL and we're having lunch at KL-PENANG. And this is why? This is Martin's recommendation. Hey, right.
I wanted Japanese. It was in US, right?
It's Inuit's recommendation. You know, I don't know why no one's claiming it because it's such a pretty place. It's such a like aesthetic place, and like the food is all, it looks so good, but it's so expensive. It looks so good and I'm broke. So Inuit, I hate you for bringing us here because I'm broke. But also thank you, so I'm coming back. Yeah. So we'll show you the food when it comes because I'm starving. But yeah. Bye bye Martin. Yes. Anyways, Martin is leaving. For 3 months. It's sad.
Fast.
Okay, yeah. Hey guys, so we just went through like a 4-hour car ride. 4-hour car ride, and we're already in Johor, I think. Because we have like 1 hour left until we reach Farah's house first. And oh my god, it wasn't the roughest car ride ever, but everything hurts. Like my body's just cramped up in its space. But you know, props to Jelong obviously for driving. Love him. He drove for like the whole time and it was crazy, and I feel very, very bad. I feel bad because he's probably really tired, but he's still driving all of us back home, which is crazy. Thoughts about the car ride? How was the car ride?
Good job, Juno.
Good job, Jinlong. What's your thoughts on the car ride?
This is me after 12 hours of driving. Not recommended.
Thankless job. I mean, we thanked you, but thank you.
Where's the tip?
Anyways, it's heavy rain. Heavy rain. Our last hour and it's so scary.
Wait a minute,
I guess it's not scary. Sorry. Okay. Hey guys, this is it. I'm home. Thanks to Junlong. Thank you so much for your service. Yeah, thank you so much everybody. Bye bye. Bye bye. Oh,
Huh?
I come home and they changed the password.
Really?
I'm joking.
Oh.
But what if?
Oh. Let's see if my son got family issue or not.